comfortable. I was comfortable with who I am, who I was, who I wanted to be, and the life I was living. I was comfortable with no challenge, no setbacks, no boundaries or obstacles, because it meant I didn't have to do a lot. And I learned the hard way that being comfortable could absolutely be the wrong thing you need in your life. I didn't know that. I thought everyone in life needed to be comfortable all the time, always. And it wasn't until I started my journey that my views changed. It changed because I wanted to change. I was comfortable, yet I was sad. I was miserable. I didn't know what to do. And I had to look myself and admit that I'm comfortable. And I was sick of being comfortable. That meant that I was never going to rise above obstacles because I was comfortable being below them. I was never going to find solutions to problems because I didn't believe the problems needed solutions. I wasn't going to do anything because I didn't think they needed to be anything at all in my life. So I got comfortable, I got cozy, and I wasted away. I'm not saying this to be a setback to what you may be feeling right now, but I think being honest with ourselves is a great opportunity to grow and put your growth into words. We all want more in life, but we can't face more unless we have built the resistance. So that means that we need to get uncomfortable doing some things. I was uncomfortable going outside. I was uncomfortable telling myself I love myself. I was uncomfortable looking at myself and recognizing I am who I am. I was uncomfortable getting up every day, early in the morning, to work out, to eat, to take care of myself. I was uncomfortable getting support and using the resources that were aided to me. And that's the truth of the matter. Getting uncomfortable doesn't mean that you have to go beyond your limits or what you're capable of, but it does mean that you meet yourself at that line. And I think that's a perfect way to base how uncomfortable you could be in doing the things that you need to do. You're tired, yes. You're exhausted, yes. But does that thing need to get done? Yes, it does. So we get up and we do it. And it may be difficult doing it, but now that I've done it like 3 times, I could tell you the payoff and the relaxation of, wow, the relief, it's done. And I could go back to what I was doing for 5 more minutes. It's so great. It's so great. Even if it's just one thing a day. One thing is enough. One thing ever could be enough. It could be opening the blinds. It could be getting out of bed. It could be getting a drink of water. It could be washing your face. It could be petting your pets, hugging a loved one, even telling yourself you're worthy and you're beautiful in the mirror each morning. It just has to be that one thing. And yeah, you might feel stupid and dumb doing it at first, but listen, it does work. Keep doing it until it stops feeling stupid and dumb. Do it until it's second nature, like breathing. You breathe and you also tell yourself you love yourself in the morning. You breathe and you open your curtains in the morning. Stuff like that. Let it be exactly like that. And everything else will feel amazing. I struggled this week with that a lot. There were times where I wanted to give up and I was like, this is pointless. This doesn't make any sense. Let me just get on with my life. Let me just do what I was doing before because it was nice. It felt nice. It felt good. And it wasn't a challenge to myself. But I want more out of my life. I know others do too. So I got up and I did it. I did new things. I did things that needed to get done. Sometimes I even did old things but with a twist. I used to rot in bed for hours, wake up at 7, go back to sleep until 3 p.m., wasting the whole day away. And now I tell myself 5 more minutes, and I get up after that 5 minutes because I have to, because I need to do it. I need to be uncomfortable, and those 5 minutes, so uncomfortable. But then it gets done. And then I get to greet my bed again because what? Everything I needed to do was done. I want to know, what's something you were comfortable with and how are you going to get uncomfortable? I mean, you don't really have to share it in the comments. It's just if you want to. But I would like to know. Possibly encourage each other and give each other credit where credit is due, because we deserve it. Because we deserve it, and we deserve everything that could come from it. We deserve our flowers and claps when we do the things that we need to do. I don't care what anyone says. I want a participation trophy every time I do something I'm supposed to do to make life feel worthwhile, and I'm gonna get it regardless of who says I'm being a baby about stuff, because this is how you feel excited about life, and this is how you keep going. Everyone has a small thing that keeps them going, and by God, mine is gonna be a sticker or a trophy. So I hope to hear about your guys' progress in the comments, and thank you. Eventually, Kanojo.